Okay, so we'll do the revision of lesson number 1. Okay, write a short note on Harshvardhan becoming a king. Okay, yes, who will say the short note? Who will read the short note number 1? Yes, beta, who will read the short note? No one? Okay, sir, I speak out the name. Rabia, will you read?
Yes, ma'am. Question answer. Number one.
Ma'am,
Write a
can I
note
read?
on how.
Yes, Rabia, continue.
Ma'am, can I read?
Write a note on how Harshvardhan became king. Harshvardhan was born in 606 AD. His father Prabhakar Vardhan was the king of Thaneshwar, presently Punjab and Haryana. When Prabhakar Vardhan died, the elder brother of Harshvardhan, Rajyavardhan, came to throne. The two brothers had a sister called Rajeshri. Devgupta, the king of Malwa, killed Rajeshri's husband and imprisoned her. To take revenge, Rajyavardhan attacked Malwa, but meanwhile Shashank, the king of Gauda region, murdered Rajyavardhan using dishonest means. Hence, there was no one to be received the throne of Thaneshwar. So, on the advice of the leaders of the state, Harshvardhan became the king of Thaneshwar.
Okay, so what it is, beta? The short note, okay, on Harshvardhan. How he became the king, how he came on the throne. What we have to mention everything. Okay, how the journey, okay, of from Harshvardhan's birth till the his coming on the throne. Okay, so when was he born? He was born in 606 AD. Okay, his father name was Prabhakar Vardhan, who was the king of Thaneshwar, and presently it was known as Punjab and Haryana. What is it known as? What?
Haryana.
Punjab and Haryana. Okay. Now, when Prabhakar Vardhan died, okay, Prabhakar Vardhan died, the elder brother of Harshvardhan. अब elder brother मतलब बड़े भैया हर्षवर्धन का क्या नाम है? राज्यवर्धन. Okay. Rajyavardhan came to the throne. Who came to the throne, beta? Who came to the throne after the death of Prabhakar Vardhan?
Rajesh.
No one knows the answer. Who came to the throne?
Elder brother of Harshvardhan.
And what is his name?
Rajesh Vardhan.
Mhm. No, Rajeshwardhan नहीं है. What is his name?
Rajyavardhan.
हाँ, then why you are saying Rajeshwardhan?
Ma'am, by miss.
Yes, Rajyavardhan came to the throne. Rajyavardhan, Harshvardhan, and Rajeshri. They all were three brother and sister of and the children of Prabhakar Vardhan. Okay, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now
Now can
when
I read?
1 minute, beta. When Prabhakar Vardhan died, the elder brother of Harshvardhan, that is Rajyavardhan, came to the throne. The two brothers had a sister called Rajeshri, as I explained you. Now, Devgupta, the king of Malwa, killed Rajeshri's husband and imprisoned her. And what did he do? And he imprisoned her. What did he do? मतलब उनको अपने अंदर अपने राज्य में उनको इम्प्रिजन कर लिया, राइट? नाउ टू टेक द रिवेंज, Rajyavardhan attacked Malwa. Okay, what did he do? What did he do? He attacked Malwa. Okay, but meanwhile, Shashank, the king of Goda, uh, sorry, to To take the revenge, the king of Malwa killed Rajesh's husband and imprisoned her. And to take the revenge, Rajyavardhan attacked Malwa. But meanwhile, Shashank, the king of Goda region, murdered Rajyavardhan. What did he do? He murdered Rajyavardhan using dishonest means. Hence, there was no one to beset the throne of थानेश्वर. मतलब अब थानेश्वर के throne पे आने वाला कोई नहीं था, right? There was no one who could come on the throne of Thaneshwar, right? So, on the advice of the leaders of the state, Harshvardhan became the king of Thaneshwar. Who became the king of Thaneshwar, beta? Harshvardhan. Is it clear? Still here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Chalo, once who will revise once this short note and then we'll move to the next one.
Yes, ma'am. Me. Can
Yes,
I
beta. Yes, beta, you can.
write a note on how Harshvardhana became a king? Harshvardhana was born in 606 AD. His father Prabhakarvardhana was the king of Thaneshwar, presently Punjab and Haryana. When Prabhakarvardhana died, the elder Harshvardhana Rajyavardhana came to the throne. The two brothers have a sister called Rajyashri.
Rajyashri.
Devgupta, the king
Rajyashri
of
hai, sister ka name,
Malwa,
okay?
killed Rajyashri's husband and imprisoned her to take revenge. Rajeshwardhana attacked Malwa, but meanwhile Shashank, the king of Goda region, murdered Rajyavardhana using dishonest means. Hence, there was no one to beseech the throne of Thaneshwar. So, on the advice of the leaders of the state, Harshvardhana became the king of Thaneshwar.
Yes, chalo. Everyone understood the short note? Was it helpful to learn? Yes. Now, next we will see. How did Harshvardhana expand his kingdom? Or write a note on King Harshvardhan's conquer of the major regions of India. Okay? Yes. Yes, Rabia, will you revise it once?
Yes, ma'am. How did King Harshvardhan expand his kingdom? Therefore, write a note on King Harshvardhan's conquest of the major regions of India. Harshvardhan was the king of Thaneshwar. When he became the king, his sister Rajyashri was in the imprisonment of the king of Malwa. He took help of his friend. Ma'am, your screen is getting blurred.
Sorry?
Your screen is getting blurred. He took help of his friend like Buddhist saint
Divakar
Divakar
Mitra.
Mitra and freed Rajyashri. At this point, he realized that his sister's kingdom Kanuj, presently Uttar Pradesh, did not have any king, so he brought Kanuj under his rule. This was the beginning of the expansion of the empire of Harshvardhan. Later, he defeated Devgupta, the king of Malwa, and brought Malwa also under his rule. Then was the
And he
beginning of the expansion of the empire of Harshvardhan. Later, he defeated
later he defeated
Sorry, then he
Devgupta.
planned. Later, he defeated Devgupta, the king of Malwa, and brought Malwa also under his rule. Then he planned to attack the god king Shashank, who had killed his brother. Shashank was a powerful king. Harshvardhan would require a huge army to defeat him. Hence, he joined hands with Bhavak, Bhaskar Mitra, the king of Kamrup, presently Assam. With the help, he defeated Shashank and won a major part of his state. Later, he also won Saurashtra. Finally, Harshvardhan proceeded towards South India, but he could not defeat Pulkeshi II, the king of Chalukya dynasty in South India. Thus, Harshvardhan could not rule over the southern region. However, within a short span of 7 years, This great king conquered the major North India and made the small state of Dhaneshwar a big empire.
Very good. Too fast. It was too fast, but good. Okay. So, how did King Harshvardhan expand his kingdom? See, after coming on the throne, how did he expand his kingdom? Okay. Now, Harshvardhan was who, beta? He was the king of Thaneshwar presently at that time when he came to the throne. है ना? Who was he? Who was he? He came to Thaneshwar. है ना? Yes or no? Yes or no, beta? Reply. Now, after that, he took help of his friend, like Buddhist saint. Okay, when he came to the throne, okay, when he became the king, what did he do? When he became the king, his sister Rajyasri was in the imprisonment, okay, was in imprisonment of the king of Malwa, okay. मालवा रजस्वी को उनके imprisonment थे, उनके कब्जे में थे, right? When he took help, okay, what did he do? He took help of his friend Buddhist saint Divakar Mitra and freed Rajyasri. Okay, what did he do? उन्होंने राजश्री को आजाद करवाया, right? And at this point, he realized that his sister kingdom Kanuj was also without any ruler, right? So he brought Kanuj under his rule. This was the beginning of the expansion of the empire of Harshvardhan. Okay. Later he defeated Devgupta, the king of Malwa, and brought Malwa also under his rule. Okay. Is it clear till here? And after that, he planned to attack the god king Shashank, who had killed his brother. Shashank was a powerful king, and Harshvardhan would require a huge army to defeat him. Right? And that is the reason that he joined the hands with Bhaskar Varman, the king of Kamruk. Okay? With his help, he defeated King Shashank and won a major part of his state. Later, he also won Saurashtra. Finally, Harshvardhan, what did he do? Proceeded towards South India. But he could not defeat Pulkeshi II, the king of Cholakya dynasty in South India. Thus, Harshvardhan could not rule over the southern regions. However, within a short span of 7 years, of how many years? 7 years. Okay. However, with a short span of 7 years, his great king conquered the major regions of North India and made the small state of Thaneshwar a big empire. Is it clear till here, everyone? Yes, girls?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Who will revise once?
Ma'am, can I revise it now?
Ma'am,
Yes.
can I read it?
Who is asking for permission? Can I know your good name?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, can I
Sorry?
Ilma Rathod.
Shukul.
Okay, Ilma, revise.
Okay, ma'am. Number two. How did King Harshvardhana explain this kingdom? All right, a note on King Harshvardhana's
Beta, you are pronouncing some words very wrongly. It's expand, nahi. It's expand. Read the
expand
spellings properly and revise it properly.
expand his kingdom. All right, a note on King Harshvardhana's. Ma'am, what is this? CON?
Okay. Conquer.
Conquer of the major regions of India. Answer. Harshvardhana was the king of Thaneshwar. When the ma'am, your screen is blurred. When the when the be,
Okay,
become the
wait, 1 minute, wait. Okay, are you able to connect the answer with your textbook? Anyone?
I have Fed book ID can I?
Yes, you can, but anyone has an idea how to connect with the textbook? I'll share the textbook. See, now when Rachita ma'am has given the message that everyone can go and purchase the textbook, so please go and purchase the textbooks, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yesterday Rachita ma'am has
Okay,
given
ma'am.
the message, no? In the WhatsApp group, yesterday she has already passed the message. Okay, so please all of you go and purchase it, okay?
मैम
हाँ
मैम अगर किसी और की पुरानी बुक चलेगी?
हाँ
ओके मैम.
Ma'am, now can I read?
wait 1 minute. Malkani Rabia is not coming in online class. Yes, Rabia, are you able to connect the answer by your own to the textbook?
Ma'am, chapter 4,
No, no,
chapter 1.
chapter 1, yes. The expand of Harshvardhan. Can you read the paragraph and explain how? Read the
Ma'am, I
paragraph,
have
I'll
to read
explain.
this paragraph.
Huh?
Okay. Harshvardhan, 606 to 647 CE. King Harshvardhan was born in 606 CE. After the death of his father, Prabhakar Vardhan, Harshvardhan's elder brother Rajyavardhan ascended the throne of Thaneshwar. However, Rajyavardhan was killed by the king of gods Shashank. Their sister Rajyashri was imprisoned by the king of Malwa, Devgupta. Under these circumstances, as advised by the leaders of the kingdom, Harshvardhan shouldered the responsibility of Thaneshwar, present Punjab, Haryana. Immediately after ascending the throne, he decided to free his imprisoned sister Rajyashri. In the meantime, she had escaped from the clutches of Devgupta and ran away into the Vidya forest. He went in search for his sister, and with the help of the people living in the forest and a Buddhist hermit, Divakar Mitra, he stopped her from committing sati. Since Rajyashri's kingdom, Kanauj, Uttar Pradesh, was without any king at that time, Harshvardhan became its ruler. Later, he defeated Devgupta, the king of Malwa. As part of his preparation of launch an attack on Shashank, the god king, he formed an alliance with the king of Kamrup, Assam, Bhaskar, Bhaskar Varman. With the help of a large army, he defeated the god king and won over a major part of his kingdom. He also conquered Malwa and Saurashtra, but was unsuccessful in defeating Pulkeshi II, king of the Chalukya dynasty of South India. After seven successive victorious years, Thaneshwar emerged as a large kingdom in North India.
मतलब कि मैंने आपको क्या बोला था राबिया कि can you connect the answer two answers together? I mean to say is the first answer is what? The is what is the first answer? The first answer is about how he came on the throne, right? Harshvardhan, yes or no, girls?
Yes,
Yes. And what is the second answer about? Second question is about how did King Harshvardhan expand his kingdom? Okay. So how will you write from here if you want to write from or what points you will take from this paragraph is my question. Can you say me, Rabia?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you say me which points you will take from this paragraph? Immediately after ascending the throne से हम लेंगे आंसर, है ना?
Yes.
Yes. Yes, Ilma, what points you will take? Maulisa Rajan is there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, what points you will take from immediately? Read the answer that I explained you. Ilma, read from your immediately.
Ma'am, can I read Aina?
Where, ma'am?
Yes,
Yes,
Aina,
ma'am.
read it. Aina,
Immediate.
read. Aina, let Ilma let Aina read.
Okay.
Yes, Aina. Modera Aina.
Yes, ma'am. From where?
From immediately.
Immediately after ascending the throne, he decided to free his imprisoned sister Rajeshri,
Imprisoned.
imprisoned sister Rajeshri. In the meanwhile, she had accepted it from the. Ma'am, what is this? Churches.
Clutches kehvaય, clutches.
Clutches of Devgupta and run away into the Vindhya forest. He went in search of for his sister and with the help of the people living in the forest and a Buddhist hermit in Divakar Mitra he stopped here from here from
Here nahi, her from committing.
here from committee Seti. And since
Sati.
Rajeshri kingdom
Sati,
cannot
committing sati.
Raj, since Rajeshri's kingdom Kanauj, Uttar Pradesh was without any king at that time. Rajeshwardhan Harshvardhan became its ruler. Later he defeated Devgupta, the king of Malwa, as part of his
Yes. Read
what
the
is
read the spelling. જો spelling ના આવડે એ read કરવાનું તો તને pronunciation આવડશે. Vocabulary.
P Paration. Preparation.
Hmm.
Preparation to launch an attack on Shashank. The
Shashank.
God Shashank, the God king, he found an alliance with the king of Kamrut, Assam. Bhaskar Varma, with the help of a large army, he defeated the God king and won over a Manoj.
What happened, beta?
Over a major part of his kingdom. He also considered Malwa and
Consider નથી, conquered છે.
conquered Malwa and Saurashtra, but was unsuccessful in defeating
Pulkeshi II, king of the Chalukya dynasty of South India. After 7 successive victorious years, Thaneswar emerged,
Immediate નથી, emerged છે જો spelling માં.
emerged as a large kingdom in North India.
Very good. Understood how you will write number 2 answer, everyone? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Now the next answer. Which state did Harshvardhan rule over? Harshvardhan was the king of Thaneshwar, presently Punjab and Haryana. But he also established his rule over Kanuj, Malwa, Kamrup, Goda, and Saurashtra, right? Etc. Thus, the major regions of North India were under the rule of Harshvardhan. Where were the major regions under the rule of Harshvardhan? See, it is written here. In the fourth lesson, it is given, and it is also mentioned here. Wait 1 minute. It is taken from this first paragraph only. Malwa, Saurashtra, where he ruled. Okay. Chalo. Everyone clear till here? Now Harshvardhan's reign and administration, how he worked, okay, for the betterment of the people. That is also one good question. It can be asked. Okay. Yes, beta, who will revise this answer? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, who will revise? No one?
Yes.
Yes, please.
Harshvardhan's reign and administration. Harshvardhan personally supervised the administration of his state by traveling extensively to different parts of his empire. He divided his daily routine into three parts. The first was for administrative purposes, while the other two parts were devoted to public welfare and religious activities. He was so diligent in carrying out his administrative responsibilities that at times he even forgot to have his meal.
Yes, understood that he sometimes even forgot his meal. है ना? Yes, no one is replying, huh, girls, today? Why? Everyone is sleeping or what?
Yes, ma'am.
Sleeping? Yes, girls, are you sleeping?
No, ma'am.
हाँ पहले राबिया ने यस मैम बोला.
नहीं ऐसे क्यों सुन रहे हैं? We are not sleeping.
हाँ चलो. Everyone understood?
Yes.
Only Rabia is replying. See again. बेटा समझ में आया कि नहीं? Now, right now it is 10 o'clock. I hope everyone is out of your bed.
हाँ ma'am.
Okay, chalo. So, by this Harshvardhan's reign and administrations, okay, what did he do? He personally supervised each and everything, है ना? And he divided his daily routine into three parts. Daily routine को किस में divide किया था बेटा? Into three parts, okay? The first was for the administration purpose, while the other two parts were devoted to the public welfare, okay? And the religious activities. And beta, apart from that, he was so diligent in his work, carrying his work and responsibilities that at times he even forgot to have his meal. है ना, खाना भी भूल जाते थे वो, इतने वो अपने वर्क में बिजी रहते थे। इज इट क्लियर क्लियर एवरीवन? से यस और नो गर्ल्स? गर्ल्स?
Yes, ma'am.
यस। सो हाउ डिड ही, हर्षवर्धन रीन एंड एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन के बारे में क्वेश्चन है तो व्हाट यू विल राइट, से मी विदाउट सीइंग। व्हाट